Alright, in previous videos, we've looked at how to convert from base 10 to other bases and how to convert from other bases to base 10. So we've learned how to convert from base 10 to other bases and how to convert from other bases to base 10. In this video, we are going to learn how to convert from other bases to other bases. Now remember, I told you that base 10 is known as the natural base, and I say you should imagine it to be a skyscraper. And then other bases, you imagine them to be a small bungalow. Now remember, we said if you want to convert from other bases to base 10, it's like a promotion, so you multiply. If you want to convert from base 10 to other bases, it's like a demotion, so you divide. Now the question is, how do we convert from other bases to other bases? Say you want to convert from base 2 to base 5. Now this is what you are going to do. To be able to move from this bungalow to this bungalow, you have to first and foremost go and greet the people in base 10. Ask for permission. So to convert from base 2 to base 5, you have to first of all convert to base 10 before converting to base 5. So you multiply first, convert to base 10, then you divide to convert to base 5. I hope you got that. Now let's take an example. Now for example, if I'm told to convert 101 in base 2 to base 5. Now convert in base 2 to base 5. Now the first thing I need to do is to convert to base 10. Now if I'm converting from base 2 to the natural base, it's like a promotion. That means I multiply. So I'll be having 101 in base 2 equals to 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2. Now don't forget to rank. So we have 0, 1, 2. So we have 1 times 2 raised to power 2 is 2 times 2, so 4. Plus 0 times 2 raised to power 1 is 2. Plus 2 raised to power 0. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So we have 1 times 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 0 times 2 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. So I have 5. And this is in base 10. So I have 5 in base 10. But I was told to convert to base 5. Now if I'm converting from the natural base to another base, it's like a demotion, so I divide. So I divide. I'm told to convert to base 5, so I divide by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1, remainder 0. 5 divided by 1. So I have 0, remainder 1. And remember, bottom to top. So my answer is 1, 0 in base 5. This is my answer. Did you get this? Let's take another example. So I'll do another example below. Let's see. All right, let me see if I can do it here. So I'm told to convert 32 in base 5 to base 2. Now remember, I have to convert to base 10 first before converting to base 2. And when you are converting from base 5 to the natural base, it's a promotion, so you multiply. So 32 in base 5 is the same thing as 3 times 5 plus 2 times 5. Don't forget to rank 0, 1. 3 times 5 raised to power 1 is 5 plus 2 times anything raised to power 0 is 1. 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times 1 is 2. So we have 17 in base 10. But remember, we're told to convert to base 2. So we are going from the natural base to another base, which is a demotion. So we divide. Now, so let's go. We are converting to base 2, so we divide by 2. 2 in 17 is 8, remainder 1. 2 in 8 is 4, remainder 0. 2 in 4 is 2, remainder 0. 2 in 2 is 1, remainder 0. 2 in 1 is 0, remainder 1. Bottom up. So we have 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 in base 2. Alright, one more example before I give you a quiz. So in this example, I'm told to convert 120 in base 3 to base 2. Now remember that to convert from another base to another base, I have to first convert to base 10. Now if I'm told to convert from base 3 to base 10, that's like a promotion, so I multiply. So let's do this. 120 in base 3 will give me 1 times 3 plus 2 times 3 plus 0 times 3. Now the next thing I'm to do is to rank. So I write 0, 1, 2. So this equals to 1 times 3 raised to power 2 is 3 times 3. So that's 9 plus 2 times anything raised to power 1 is that thing. So 3 raised to power 1 is 3 plus 0 times 3 raised to power 0 is 1 because anything raised to power 0 is 1. So I have 1 times 9, 9 plus 2 times 3, 6 plus 0 times 1, 0. So 9 plus 6 is what? 15. So I have 15 in base 10. Now I have to convert 15 in base 10 to base 2. Now that is like a demotion, so I divide. So I've got 15, 2. 2 in 15 is 7, remainder 1. 2 in 7 is 3, remainder 1. 2 in 3 is 1, remainder 1. 2 in 1 is 0, remainder 1. Bottom up. So I've got 1, 1, 1, 1 in base 2. I hope you understand this. If you don't understand it, let's take a quiz.